everyone, welcome back to Sunny Life channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Isibaya from the 22nd to the 26th of March 2021 on Monday. As a shocking matter shakes the world, Mkabayi returns. Dabula moves to cover his tracks. Sbu and the Ndlovu seems determined to get revenge. Pumelele found some surprising news about Biake's will on Tuesday. Gadla is doubtful upon Pitlangene's claims about Jabu. Jabu gets an idea to put all doubt to rest. Ntwentle confront Jabu and he worries about what Sbu will do. Mpihlangene stokes the fire of war on Wednesday. Jabu wants to go pay his respect, but the family refuses. Dabula is livid when Londiwe tells him she shouldn't plant the listening device. Sbu blames himself for the death in the family. Jabu takes matters into his own hand, much to Mphihlangene's irritation on Thursday. Things between Pumelele and Fenyang get tense over her inheritance. Jabu manipulates Mpihlangene into getting what he wants. Ntwentle is determined to find the truth about what happened to her friend on Friday. The war between the Ndlovus and Zungus escalates, unaware of the third force pulling the strings. Sbu cut ties with the Zungus. Jerry has a price to keep quiet about Mbomvu and Lillian, but it's not money. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.